Chili, garlic, capering, the chili is actually up here, how much you can tolerate the heat. You're going to season it with oyster sauce. 2 tablespoons. I got a tablespoon of fish sauce. And about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Tablespoon of sugar. Turn the fire and put a bunch of basil. Whatever heat remaining in your stove, that actually will wilt the basil. Alright guys, this is done. We're just going to fry some egg and we'll put this on top of the rice. This is my version of pakpakaw. Voila. Done guys. There you go guys, this is my version of beef pakpakaw. This is Thai dish with ground beef and basil. Hope you guys try this recipe. Give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Try my beef pakpakaw. Thank you and bye. Let's taste it guys. The yolk. Look at that. It's really good. This by the way ground chuck. Delicious.